starting advanced lesson, we will learn French alphabets. English and French alphabets are written same but they are pronounced different. Répète après moi. A, B, C, D, U, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Bonjour everyone, welcome back to Lingo siblings. I'm Safura Malik
And I'm Malik.
Today we will learn something super fun in French.
Are you ready? Today's lesson is about days of the weeks in French.
In French, days of the week are called les jours de la semaine.
Let's learn them one by one. Répète après moi.
It is called repeat after me. As you all know, the first day of the week is called Monday. In French, it is called lundi. Lundi. Lundi.
Say it with us. Lundi.
Great job.
And now Tuesday. Mardi. Mardi.
Everyone say it. Mardi. Guys, first of all, see my nails. I just love my nails. So, if you love my nails, comment below if you love my nails.
And if you love my words, so comment below as well.
But first of all, to start the video, I'm going to just tell you something important. How do you pronounce R in French? Répète après moi. R. So if you love my nails, comment below. I love my nails so much.
And if you love my watch, so comment below as well.
Okay, let's be serious this time. Now let's start with Wednesday. Wednesday is called in French mardi. 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 Okay, but have you ever wondered how do you call R in French? We call R in French R. Répète après moi. R. Now listen carefully. Mardi. Mardi. You can hear the R sound.
Okay, that one is a little long. Let's try again. Mardi.
Yay!
Now Thursday. Jeudi. Jeudi. Jeudi.
Say it loud. Jeudi. Friday. Vendredi. 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 Remember R sound.
Friday is a fun day. Vendredi. Saturday. Samedi. Samedi. Samedi.
Weekend time. Samedi. Now Sunday. Dimanche. Dimanche. Dimanche.
Relax day. Dimanche.
The song together of days of the week.
Sing with us.
Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Yeah! Les jours de la semaine.
Let's play a game.
When you say ready, repeat and point to the screen. Répète après moi. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Yay! Wow, you're doing all amazing.
You know the days of the week in French.
If you like this video, like the video and subscribe and comment your favorite day. A bientôt. See you soon. Bye bye.